Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get computer web browser like tabs on any software for Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, let me open one program, say just control panel, just to give you an example. So we don't have any tabs on it, right? So let me open a file explorer also. So right now we don't have any tabs, as well as let me open a Paint software. So we don't have any tabs. So how you can get computer web browser like tabs on any software for Windows? So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, search for one application name as Groupie2, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see here try free, so you can try it free before purchasing it completely. So let us download this. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Now click on I agree the terms of the license agreement, click on next, click on next. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on yes, click on yes again. Now you can see the various options. So since we are using a trial version, so you need to click on this start 30-day trial, and after you start using it 30-day trial, if you like it, then you can just click on this purchase product key and you can purchase the full version. So let us try it for 30 days firstly. Click on start 30-day trial. Now put your email address, and click on continue. So they will send you one verification email. Just open your respective email account and just click on the active 30-day trial which you have received on your respective email addresses. So now you can see it has auto detected and it is on thank you. Now you can use it for 30-day trial. Now click on finish. Now you can see various options. So on the left panel you will see various options, right? Under the general tab you can see what kind of tabs you want, place above. So place tabs above, or you want to integrate the tabs under the title bar. So let me give you a demo. So let me minimize it and let me open one software like control panel, right? So now you can see here tabs showing up on the software. So let us move back to the settings. And if it's being hidden, not showing all the time, then what you can do is you can just click on this down arrow icon and click on this personalized tab, and you can see here one option, always show tabs for this type of window. Just click on it. Now it's showing here. Since we have selected to integrate the tabs within the title bar, so if you want it separately, just click on it and it will create a separate tab title bar. So you can see here it has created a separate title bar, right? So I'll just select this plus tabs above, and next to it is a tab appearance. You can select the various options here. You can check depending upon your needs. And the third one is tab colors, so you can change the colors, which I'm gonna talk a few minutes later. And there is a grouping settings, so there are tons of options, so I'll not make you bored by showing each and every options. And the last one is grouping rules. You can see here under the grouping rules this much of options you will get. Say right now you can see here by default it's in the wedding color, right? So I want to change it to different colors. Then what you can do is you can see here tab and background bar colors. Let's click on this down arrow icon. Now here you can see focus tab color, right? Just click on it. Now say I want to add a green color. You can select different colors depending upon your needs. So I've selected green color and just click on this add to custom colors and just select this and click on OK. Now we have selected green. Now you can see here green color is appearing here. So let us try to open different softwares. Let me open this control panel. So now you can see here different colors appearing, and if we change to different colors or not, let us try. Click on this focus tab colors again and click on this red color. Just select add to custom colors, select the red, click on OK. Now it has been changed to red color, and if this red color does not show up, then you can just enable this both the options. So now just close it and let us try to open the other softwares. Now you can see here, and even you can create multiple tabs by clicking on this plus. So you can see here various options. You can create as much tabs as you want. So you can see here tons of tabs. So by using the software name as Groupie2, you can easily get computer web browser like tabs on any software for Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.